Good morning. So headband on, hair protected. I'm gonna start washing my face. And since I just woke up, I'm gonna use the cleanser on wet skin. And then I'm gonna grab my cleanser and do a bunch of little pumps. So I usually do like half a pump there, half a pump there, some on my forehead, some on my nose, and some on my chin. And I'm covered. I mix everything around and do upward and outward motion. I'll go over my eyes a little bit just in case there's any oil. And that's it. So I'm gonna rinse. It's nighttime, and at night I like to take off my makeup by using the cleanser on dry skin. So as you can see, I have a bunch of mascara and eyeshadow on here on this eyelid. I mean, look how heavy this is. That's good. Then I start massaging and it starts to dissolve all the makeup and break it down. So I'll start with the eyes, which is really fun. Watch. So the cleanser has the same cleansing solvent that's in contact lens solution. So it's super, super gentle on eyes, which means that you can watch all the mascara and eyeshadow being dissolved into these messy little puddles, and then in the middle of it, so I can check out what's happening, I can open my eyes. And it doesn't sting, which is pretty cool. Lift off that boy brow. And I rinse as I'm rubbing. So it's all sort of this little routine where you rinse your hands, rinse your face, and now for the towel test. So fresh white towel. Really gently pat dry your skin, which is super delicate, never forget. And the test is that I can rub my eyelashes and there's no black mascara.